Welcome to Sweetwater Academy. Today we're going to be going over how to dock a boat. As you approach the dock, you are going to straighten up the boat and slow down to a slow idle by putting the boat in and out of gear. As you slowly get closer to the dock, you want to start turning the boat to be parallel with the dock. The direction you turn depends on which way the wind is blowing. You always want the bow of the boat into the wind. This will give you maximum maneuverability. Once your boat begins to turn in a direction that you have chosen and is close to being parallel with the dock and the bow of the boat is close to the dock, you want to put the throttle into neutral. Once the throttle is in neutral, begin to turn the wheel in the complete opposite direction from where you just turned. Once the wheel is completely turned, gently tap the throttle into the reverse position. This will bring the stern of your boat into the side of the dock. Put the throttle back into neutral and drift slowly into the side of the dock. From here, our boat staff will help bring you in and tie the boat off. Once the boat is tied off and you have gathered all your belongings, step off the boat and let us take it from here. Thanks for watching Sweetwater Academy. Stay tuned for more tips to help you enjoy your time out in the water.